Hey there future IITians, welcome back to our channel. Preparing for IIT JEE can feel like a big mountain to climb. But don't worry, today we are going to break it down into some simple steps you can take to succeed. So just grab your favorite notebook and follow along. Number one, make your own routine. The first and most crucial point is to have a routine of your own along with your coaching institutes. And why is that needed? While coaching centers provide their schedules, you will inevitably fall behind at some point because your learning curve is very different. Having a personal routine alongside will act as a safety net to ensure you cover all the essential topics and the backlogs. Number 2. Cover NCERT first. Remember, no matter how advanced you are aiming to be, you should always start with your NCERT books. They lay the foundation of your knowledge and the basics they provide are absolutely crucial. Now number 3. Sometimes understanding a topic from NCERT might be challenging. That's where video lectures and supplementary books come in handy. Use these resources to clarify your doubts and gain a deeper understanding. Number 4. Theory versus question practice ratio. Mathematics usually requires a lot of practice, that's why allocate 70% to practice and rest to theory. Physics usually demands a solid understanding of the concepts. Give 40% of your time to theory and rest of the time to practice. Chemistry demands both memorization and problem solving. Split your time 50-50 between theory and practice. Number 5. Practice previous year questions. After you have read your theory, try to solve examples and around 10 questions from different topics of the same chapter. Next, move on to PYQs of JEE Mains and solve 1 to 2 questions per topic. In total, around 20 questions. Finally, move on to JEE Advanced PYQs and again solve 1 to 2 questions per topic with a sum total of 20 questions. Now keep in mind that this will take a lot more time than the first 30 questions, so be patient and invest at least half an hour per problem. This will improve your critical thinking. That's a total of 50 questions. Number 6. Take regular tests. Regular tests are vital to gauge your progress. Consider taking bi-weekly tests to measure how well you have grasped the subjects that you have covered in the last 2 weeks. This will help you stay on track and identify the areas that need improvement. Number 7. This is very important, quality over quantity. When preparing for IIT JEE, remember that it's not about how much you study but how well you understand the concepts. IIT JEE questions are often analytical and require a very deep understanding of the subject, so you should focus on quality over quantity. Finally, find a mentor. IIT JEE preparation can be an emotional journey. You'll have tough times when you feel overwhelmed and you want to give up. That's where a mentor can make all the difference. Try to find someone who has already cleared IIT JEE and been in your shoes. A mentor who can guide you during the tough times and keep your motivation levels high. There you have it, a well-rounded study routine that balances your preparation for both board exams and IIT JEE. Remember to make your own routine, prioritize NCERT, strike a right balance between theory and practice, and always aim for quality over quantity. And if you are facing any problems, we are starting a Discord channel for a mentorship program, so you can join us and get help. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who are also on this academic journey. Thank you for tuning in and best of luck with your preparation and happy studying. See you next time.